I went to the University of Arkansas Medical School, which was only a couple blocks from where my grandma's house was.
How did you come up with that idea?
We had a very close family friend who was a registered nurse and an x-ray technician, and at that particular time, you just never heard about that technology very much. And it wasn't that well developed, and there wasn't a lot of publicity about it, what it did or how to do it. And I just loved her. She was wonderful, and she would visit us almost every weekend. And I said, I want to do what you do. And she was a registered nurse and an x-ray technician. And I said, I don't care if I become a registered nurse or not. That didn't mean much to me. But I did lose my first job because I was Jewish, and I asked for time off to go to services on the high holidays. And the radiologist fired me. He says, yeah, I'll let you go. If you go, I'm going to fire you. You know, give me that day off. Discrimination in Arkansas was pretty prevalent. So I got my first bitter pill in discrimination at the University of Arkansas Medical School. I never forgot it.
So then you left, and you...
Well, I stayed until I finished I didn't want to let him ruin my career, because he was a big old fool. And I mean, he was just a dumb country bumpkin who happened to have been a doctor. And my grandma always, I don't know where she got it, but she always used to say, when someone offends you or says or does something to you you think is wrong or makes you feel bad, just consider the source. Those people are dumb. And she really impressed me with that they are stupid. They're showing their stupidity when they say and do things like that. And I quit taking it so personally. And that was very helpful to me. Just be upfront with it and say, that's who I am, and I'm proud, and if you don't like it, tough.